Antioxidants prevent or slow cell damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules produced by the body due to environmental pressures. They are the body's major defense against cell damage, hence foods and supplements rich in antioxidants are called antioxidant powerhouses. Antioxidants are found in many foods, including fruits and vegetables. Plant-based antioxidants like flavonoids, tannins, phenols, and lignans are known for their health benefits and play a crucial role in maintaining health. The term antioxidant powerhouse describes foods high in antioxidants. Blueberries, rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, are a well-known example. Dark chocolate, high in flavonoids, is linked to improved heart health when consumed moderately. Spinach and kale, leafy greens, are known for their high carotenoid and flavonoid content, providing antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress. Nuts like almonds and walnuts contain vitamin E, aiding in the fight against oxidative damage. Green tea is an excellent antioxidant powerhouse, rich in catechins, a natural phenolic compound. Catechins reduce free radical formation, protecting cells and molecules from damage. While antioxidants are crucial for health, balance is key. Excessive supplementation can have adverse effects. A balanced diet with various antioxidant-rich foods offers health benefits, without overdoing it. Incorporating a variety of antioxidant powerhouses into your diet supports wellness by enhancing the body's ability to ward off cell damage, promoting longevity and overall health.